This one-bedder penthouse in District 10 with rare forever unblocked views is intricately well designed with over $120,000 in renovations. Hi, I'm Fiona.
And I'm Adrian. Today we are in Nathan Place to show you the perfect starter home for a couple, bachelor or bachelorette in the heart of Rio Valley.
Let's go! For those who value exclusivity, Nathan Place is a low-rise, freehold, 45-unit boutique residence in Nathan Road completed in 2006 by renowned GuoccoLand. You can also look forward to gym workouts or dipping into the pool within Nathan Place. Located a short 4 minutes to the ample conveniences of Valley Point, it is also walkable to Great World City for food, leisure and shopping. While Orchard Road is a short 6-minute car ride away, improved accessibility is due once Great World MRT opens this year.
Welcome to this 1367 square feet duplex, extensively renovated 5 years ago with $120,000 in renovation. Its modern interior with clean lines is infused with a black and dark grey palette with light wood for an eye-pleasing contrast. The owner did up power track system with custom carpentry on both sides of the living and dining to keep things organized. Step out to the balcony for a quiet view of the residential quarters of the Malaysian High Commission, almost guaranteed to be unblocked.
If you fancy some cooking, the all-black open-concept kitchen comes integrated with a fridge, induction hob, hood, oven, and even a dishwasher that's out of sight. Just as thoughtfully designed is the roomy and sleek master bedroom. 5 storage cabinets at the right side of the entrance with an elongated work desk by the window. House your clothing and accessories neatly inside a full-height wardrobe. Even with all the built-ins, there is no problem putting in a king-size bed. While the ensuite bathroom, which is also accessible from the hall, adopts an open-concept approach, it can be closed for privacy if need be.
Follow me upstairs to see the rooftop. A sheltered pavilion can be enclosed by remote zip track blinds for wet weather or for turning on the air conditioner when hosting parties. To sum it up, this one-bedroom penthouse in Nathan Place has all the frills that the design savvy will greatly appreciate. Contact either of us at the numbers below to arrange for a viewing.
We'll be glad to walk through the details with you.
See ya!